Most people get this wrong when they request a payout from InboxDollars. They assume the moment they hit cash out, the money instantly arrives. Then they start refreshing their mailbox every day and get confused when nothing shows up. Here's the truth no one tells you. InboxDollars check payments in 2026 are not instant, and the waiting time depends on a few key steps that most users never pay attention to. In this video, you'll learn exactly how long InboxDollars check payments take, why delays happen, and how to avoid common mistakes that slow everything down. Let's break it down clearly. Once you request a check payment on InboxDollars, the first step is processing. This usually takes a few business days. During this time, the platform verifies your account activity, confirms your balance, and prepares the payout. Now here's where it gets interesting. After processing, the check is mailed out physically. This is where most delays happen, because it depends on postal services, your country, and even local delivery speed. In most cases, users in the United States like Jake, from Florida, or Emily, from Ohio report receiving their checks within 7 to 14 business days after approval. But it can sometimes take up to 3 weeks if there are postal delays or weekends in between. If you are outside the US, it can take even longer because international mail adds extra transit time. But here's the problem most users don't realize. The delay is not always on InboxDollars. It is often on the mail system itself. That means once the check is marked as sent, there is very little you can do except wait. Now here's how you can make the process smoother. First, make sure your address is completely accurate in your account. Even a small mistake like a missing apartment number can delay or cancel delivery. Second, avoid requesting a check right before holidays, because postal services slow down during peak seasons. Another smart tip is to consider alternative payout methods if available in your region. PayPal or gift cards are often much faster compared to physical checks. But if you prefer checks, patience is the key. InboxDollars is a legit platform, but physical payments are always slower by nature. So, to summarize clearly, InboxDollars check payments usually take 1 to 3 weeks after processing, depending on your location and postal speed. The real takeaway is simple. The platform is not slow, the delivery method is. If you understand that, you'll never panic waiting for your payment again. If this helped you understand how InboxDollars payments really work in 2026, like the video, drop your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more honest earning app breakdowns.